So friends, let's see this delicious recipe of Bhendi sole. So here I've taken about 10 to 12 bhendis or okras. We wash them really well and I'm going to wipe them really dry. This is very important. And when you're choosing bhendi, always see that it's very firm and not soft. And when you break off the tip, it should be, it should make a very click sound. That way you know it's very fresh. I know you can't keep breaking all the tips off, but it should be firm to the hand. It should not be very saggy and soft. So now I'm just going to cut off both the ends, and we're going to cut this bhendi for this recipe in a slanting fashion in this manner. So you're going to cut it like this. This is the shape that the vegetable has to, the dish is supposed to be traditionally. And a little big pieces, so say about an inch. Each piece has to be about an inch. So this size roughly. Next I'm going to take half a medium-sized onion and just slice it thin and then just crush it up so that they separate. You're going to add this to the cut up bhendi. Now this dish, the best part about it, it has no oil at all. Now I'm going to add about 6 to 7 kokums or amsol or sola. And I'm also going to break up 3 or 4 dried red chilies. I've removed the stem and I'm going to remove the seeds and just add them to this. Now I'm just going to heat a pan and I'm just going to transfer all of this into the pot or the pan. We're going to cook on low to medium heat and I'm just going to add 3 cups of water. So most of our ingredients are done. All we have to do is now add just 2 more, which is salt and sugar, which will be a little bit later. So now after adding 3 cups of water, I'm going to mix everything well first, and I'm just going to let this mixture come to a boil. We're going to add salt to taste and just a pinch of sugar. And I'm just going to leave it on a low to medium heat, and I'm going to let this really come to a nice boil. Now once it starts boiling, you're going to reduce the heat to between very low to medium, and you're just going to simmer this till this really cooks very well. The bhendi is really nice and cooked, it's soft, and all of the water is evaporated. So now we have just a little bit of water, as you can see. The bhendi is nice and cooked, but for this dish we don't want any water, so we just have to cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes till all of the water evaporates. And now you can see that all of the water has evaporated and our dish is all ready to serve. The bhendi is cooked well. So when I'm serving, I try to take out the amsul or the kokum and serve it without that because it becomes easier to eat. So this, I like to have it personally, with chapatis because it tastes really nice with that. And this has a little bit of sour, tangy, and the taste of the bhendi for those of you who love bhendi or okra. This is an ideal dish. So there are my chapatis all ready to enjoy. So I hope you try out this dish, guys.
Today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.